Good afternoon. It's time to cook lunch. We're going to be making a Singapore noodle salad, but it's going to be like a cooked salad and it's going to be absolutely delicious. We start with sesame oil and we're going to be throwing in some red onions. Now remember, with this, it's all about the vegetables and the nourishment that comes with it. So I'm going to be putting in some ginger. And some garlic. And to that, I'm going to be adding in some turmeric, quite a bit of it actually, some garam masala, some chili powder. So Singapore has lots of influence from India, plenty of Indian immigrants. In fact, one of the official languages of the country is Tamil, which is a South Indian language. So right here, when all of these flavors are getting intermingled really nicely with the onions, it's time to add the tofu. The kind of tofu that I'm going to be adding to contribute to the protein of the salad is a baked tofu. You can find that in your regular grocery store. It would have a tad bit of flavor. It'll taste like it has a little bit of soy sauce, but that's about it. To make it easier for you, because the tofu already has a certain bit of flavor, you don't really want to use tofu which has to be drained and all that, so it kind of comes in the way of a quick lunch. So we're going to be putting in some zucchini. The zucchini has been previously steamed. Then I have in here some sweet potatoes. You could also use carrots, but I would like more complex nutrition. So I'm going to put in some sweet potatoes. It already smells so good. And then I'm going to be adding in the noodles. This is just plain Maifun noodles. You notice I'm not using too much of noodles because the whole idea is to make sure that we get more vegetables and less noodles. So with a wok, the uniform heat, you're going to be able to really stir fry super quickly. And to this, I'm going to be adding in some toasted sesame seed oil for flavor. And then time to put in some pink radish, the tops of the green onion, some cilantro, and previously steamed broccoli. So it's super easy like that. You're going to be adding some salt to taste and some gomasio all together, and about a teaspoon and a half of tomato ketchup. So easy to put together. Really quickly saute all of them through and your warm noodle salad is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and put that into a bowl. We'll do a taste test. So I've topped up this beautiful noodle along with some basil microgreens. Delicious with that little hint of flavor. I'm going to be putting in some lemon juice for some really nice sour taste. Right on top, have to do a taste test. It's like India and China co-inhabiting in Singapore. It's so beautiful. I do hope all of you have an opportunity to try this. It's so easy to do. And let us know how the flavors went in your kitchen in the comments below. Until we meet again in another episode of AUMcuisine, while we explore the culinary world together. This is Vaidya Priyanka.